I turned 40 this year and the gray hair is graying. It feels like I woke up one morning and the gray hair multiplied overnight. And I thought to myself, it's about time I do something about it. So, of course, I decided to dye my hair black. So, I am using the Fashion Professional Oil and Shine dye, hair dye, and it is the color one black. So, this is a permanent hair dye. This is my first time trying on a hair dye, and I thought to start very simple. So, I am using this kit. The good thing is it comes with everything, right? Everything I need, the colorant, the oxidant, and the healing balm or the cooling balm, right? And then of course you have the manual. It is important to follow the instructions in the manual. I like that it also came with these hand gloves, which is very, very, very useful and important. So this is the instruction. Do you have the colorant, which is number one, I think, and then the oxidant, which is number two? Anyways, the good thing is that it is numbered. So basically, you pour number two into number one. So number two into number one like this, and then you close it and shake it properly until it is properly mixed. So this is me transferring as much as I can transfer into the tube and then close it properly and shake, shake, shake until it is properly mixed, right? And then when it is ready for application, you cut the tip of the nozzle, right? And then you start to apply. So that is what I'm doing. See, I am cutting the tip, right? So that way you just squirt it into your hair or on your hand like I am doing, and then apply on your head. Okay, so this is my first time, like I said, right? What I did was to test it first on, the lower part of my hair just to be sure that there are no skin irritation. And then I thought to just, continue application. So the middle part of my hair has more hair, right? What I am doing is partitioning it and then applying as much as I can and massaging the dye into the hair as much as I can. So this is what I would do. And after application, to my satisfaction. So after application, I will then leave the dye in for about 20 to 30 minutes to give the dye, the time it needs to do its thing. This is me ensuring that I have all the dye properly massaged into my hair, right? Now that I have finished application, I am then going to clean off all the, part of my skin that has the dye on, because you don't want this on your hair, on your skin, or else it will turn black literally. So that's it for now. And the next step will be to wash it off with the cooling balm. I need to check, what this is called. So yes, this is 30 minutes later, as you can see, and it is time to have a proper wash. So you can also see here that the hair is turning black or has turned black. You can see clearly that it is properly black, right? So yes, just putting my hand in just to see what has happened and time to wash it off. I am going to be washing this properly with the, what's it called? The fixing balm. That is what this is called. This is called the fixing balm. So this is like the number three, which is the last step. So the whole idea with the fixing balm is that you're going to wash it. You're going to, wash off the dye, then apply the fixing balm, leave it for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then wash it off properly. The first part of washing, you would not be needing a shampoo, to my understanding. And so that is what has happened. Now, you can see that even my skull is black, right? I have finished washing and my skull is black, as you can see. But then the good part is my hair is black too. Now, there are different ways to clear out, stains on your skull, right? After dyeing your hair, you could use oil, okay, any hair oil available, or olive oil. Yes, you can see it will do the work. But I also noticed that you can also use micellar water, right? You know, the micellar water or micellar water that you use to wash off makeups. you can actually use that to clean off this, you know, dye stain on your skin or on the skull. It's going to take some time, but the beautiful part is by the time you wash or take a shower, the next day and in 2 days' time, right, it will have cleared off. That is my experience. So, yes, that is it basically. This is going to clear off after, the next shower because I didn't want to use up my micellar water on this, right? I was just going to shower the next day and it will clear up. But I just needed to show you how to, clean off the black stain on your scalp, and then it gets better, literally from the next day. So this is the result. Hair is properly black. You cannot find any gray hair, and I am happy. And another good thing about this hair that it is less than $3, right? And it did a good job. So I'm happy with it for now. Oh, by the way, it is important to add that even though this is a permanent hair dye, I am human, I am alive, so my hair will grow, right? And while it grows, the gray hair will also grow. So this means that anytime I have to trim my hair, right, I get to see the gray hair. And this will take maybe about 1 month or 2 months, depending on how I feel about, the gray hair. But it does the job. The dye does the job. I am happy with it. And all I need to do is style my hair. By the way, I have a video showing how to style your short afro hair. I will be linking the video in the description. So let me know what you think. And thank you for watching. See you next time. Yours truly, Princess. Bye.